If you have been coming facing these 5 signs in your life, it means that from now you are a powerful person. Sign number 1. If you have been someone who have been struggling, you born in a family where you have been struggling, you are the first someone to be chosen out that you have done that something. Though you are not the one who did that something, but you be chosen to be involved in that issue. So you have a hardest background. The way how you have grown up, it have been a hustle, it have been a tight life, it have been so hard to life. You growing, your family background is not totally well. Are you getting the point? You lost your mom, you lost your dad, you lost every kind of your family, or by the time when you grow up you didn't found your parents, they are alive, which means you grow through the relatives. That is sign number 1, which shows you that you are someone who is so powerful in this universe. Sign number 2, that whenever you go anywhere, kids are running for you. Children, they are coming to you. When a child run to you and feel happy when he sees you, that is another sign that's showing you that you are so powerful person. And sign number 3, whenever you go to the supermarket or any place to buy something, when you reach in that place, more than 3 people, they come and then they find you there. When you come exactly, people, they start also coming to that place where you are. Are you getting the point? Which means you have the power of attracting, you have blessed of attracting. Are you getting the point? So which means if you stand on the shop of someone, people, they come to buy to that same place where you are. Or if you go to buy something from someone in the morning, people, they start selling too much whenever you go to that place. And always, sometimes you can go to that place, they give you some things for free. Are you getting the point? But for you don't understand why they give you some things for free, so that they keep attracting you, come back, because for them they will be noticing whenever you come, you buy from them, their things run so faster, they sell them, they get over. That was sign number 3. The sign number 4, if you see yourself you getting hate, people, they don't like you, people, they hate you, people, they don't give you deals, those are the signs that you are someone who is powerful. So that you have to find yourself, you have to recognize yourself, so that you can awaken that power in you. Why? That there are certain things which are in the spiritual world, they are trying to fight with that power of you. That's why you find that you get hated, you get betrayed, you get be let down, that everyone who you're dealing with, they try to betray you, they try to hate you, even if you have not did anything, but people, they try to hate you. So if you are the someone who is getting very, very, very hated, just understand that you are someone who is very, very powerful. And sign number 5, what you have to know, if this happens to you many times, many cases, just understand you are the one of the powerful people under this universe. Sign number 5 is that whenever you are at a certain place, or you are moving on the street, or you are moving in your way, and someone come and ask you the direction, not one person, not 2 persons, but whenever you're moving, you find that people, they come to you very easily. The strangers runs to you and they ask you the directions. Strangers always come to you to ask you the directions, or to ask you some different locations, so that you can direct them, they go. That shows you that you are someone who is very, very powerful in this universe, so that you have attraction, that people, they feel you, people, they get connected with you, they feel free with you. That's why you find that strangers who doesn't know you, even they don't have any connection with you, they come to you so that they can get help. Those are 5 indicators that are showing you are someone who is totally powerful in this universe. So what you have to do, link in the description below, so that you will be directed to our Life Fighter tribe, so that we can start guiding you and we show you how you can awaken that power inside of you. Don't hesitate, make sure to share this video to friends and family so that they can try to recognize themselves. If you are someone who have been let down, who have been in pain for a while, just understand you are not alone. We are here to help you, to guide you, so that you can rise from that way how you are. I want to guarantee you that the pain it's you path. The pain is that what will make you to rise. I want you to understand that the high creator to pass you through that way, so that they are trying to mentor you. They are trying, the universe is trying to nurture you so that you can align with the divine line. I want you to understand that you are not alone. So make sure to leave a comment there and you say with me, what are those signs, what have been happening to your life. Thank you so much. See you.